Now in this video, we're going to take a tour of this Bakersfield floor plan by SK Homes right here in Amherst subdivision. Now Amherst is located just about 6 minutes from the Greenville Spartanburg Airport, convenient to Highway 101. BMW manufacturing plant is 4.5 miles away, really conveniently located, centrally located, so you could go shopping in Greenville, Woodruff Road, or you can go to Spartanburg if you wanted to go to like Westgate Mall or the Costco in Spartanburg, or you can get on the highway 85 and get to the Costco on Woodruff Road in Greenville. So really conveniently located. Half-acre lots in this neighborhood. It is a cement board siding neighborhood, so there are no vinyl sidings in this neighborhood. It's all cement board siding. There are about 63 lots in this community, and most of them are already built or occupied. There are 3 inventory homes right now that the builder is selling, and a couple of lots left that you can be able to build on those lots as well. So I'm going to pan around so we can take a look at this home and check out the neighborhood as well. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified the next time we post a new video. All right, let's check out this Bakersfield floor plan by SK Homes. All right, so check out the neighborhood here. And you know, like I said, there are 63 lots in this community. Really nice homes in this community. Spacious lots. Look at the distance between these 2 houses. You know, a lot of the new construction homes right now, you don't really get this type of space between the houses. So, and you see the size of this driveway. I mean, this driveway is long. Look how long this thing is. You can get plenty of vehicles here. You probably get maybe 6 to 8 cars on this driveway and 2 inside the home as well. So you got 2-car garage. And like I said, this is a cement board siding neighborhood, so no vinyl siding here. You got the nice glass on the door here. Lets in a little bit more natural light. And right here, immediately to the left, is the study/office. Not a very big space, but big enough for a home office. Close that door. And coat closet, luxury vinyl plank floors, and you got your powder room right here. And this door here goes to the garage, 2-car garage, automatic door opener. The water heater is also in the garage there. There is a in-ground sprinkler system as well. Now SK, they do build these homes. They offer these rounded corners, so nicely rounded corners on these SK homes. Gas log fireplace, kitchen, got a little pantry closet here. And they put the light gray cabinets in this one, stainless steel appliances, single bowl sink. And not sure if this is granite or quartz. I always get confused a little bit between the two, because they both kind of look the same. But this may actually be quartz and not granite, but I'm not sure. The listing says it's a granite countertops, but it may actually be quartz. But like I said, I always get a little confused with those. Gas range. You got the black pools, and that's to be your dining area there. Okay, and let's just check out the backyard while we're here. And you got the covered back porch here, a covered deck. This is almost half-acre lot. It's like 0.46 acres. It's a large lot, and it goes probably a little bit farther than this fence here. I think the fence, they put it in a little bit inside the property line. But if you see the neighbor's fence over there, that one does go back a little bit further. Okay, nice to have a little ceiling fan out here as well. And just to point this out here, I mean, this island does have a lip on it, so you can be able to put bar stools on this side as well if you wanted to. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. And this home right now is actually listed for $381,200. $381,200 is what this one is listed at. And if you are interested, just let us know. If this doesn't work for you, maybe you want to build one with SK, or we can help you find another one that's already built with the same builder or a different builder that may work better for you. All right, so let's check out this upstairs. All right, so just to give you a little better perspective here, I just came up these stairs, and as you come up, you got a linen closet right here. Back up, and to the left is the owner's suite. And there are two closets in this master bedroom owner's suite area. So you got one closet here, and the other one is on this side of the room. So you got two walk-in closets. And the ensuite bathroom. Tile floors. You do have a garden tub in this one, as well as a tile shower that's tiled all the way to the ceiling. And there is a bench in the shower as well. All right, let's check out the other rooms. Okay, stairs. To the left, we'll go over here in a bit. Let's check out this laundry room. So the laundry room is upstairs, since you have the bedrooms upstairs. So it makes sense to have your laundry room on the same level that the master bedroom is on. And there is a window there, so it gives you some natural light coming in there. And the attic, pull down attic here. Okay, so you have the bedroom on this side. Again, those rounded corners throughout the home. Let's check out the size of this closet. See how big it is. So, closet. And the second bathroom, full bath. Got the tile floor in as well. And then your third bedroom. And this third bedroom actually has a step-in closet, not so much walk-in, but it's step-in, and they actually put a light in there as well. So, but that's it for this tour. So if you have any questions about this home, if you're interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.